Hello everyone, this is Environmental Awareness Series and the topic of today's video is animal protection and wildlife conservation. Let's go! Animals are an important part of our ecosystem. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance in nature. In Tajikistan, we recognize the importance of animal protection and wildlife conservation. Efforts such as establishing national parks, conserving habitats, and promoting ecotourism have already been adopted in our country, and it's helping a lot. But what we can do as an individual to conserve wildlife and animals? There are 3 ways to do so. First, you can pick up any trash you see in nature. It will not harm wild animals or their habitats. Second, you can reduce your use of single-use plastics. Using reusable bottles and bags can help to reduce waste and prevent it from ending up in the environment. Third, you can support local conservation efforts by volunteering, donating, or simply spreading awareness about wildlife conservation and animal protection. Remember, every small action can make a big difference. As an individual, you have the power to protect Tajikistan's wildlife and animals.